In this video, I'm going to show you two free AI API providers, and I'll also show you how to set them up in case you run out of free models to use in the future. Okay, number one is Xiaomi MiMo. You can get free 2 USD of credits if you click the link in the description and then you sign up with your account. Once that's done, just fill up your country or region. Then just add your password. Then just click complete. Just click E here. Now you'll have $0 in your balance. Just click accept. And then you click this enter invite code. Yeah, so just click this enter invite code and then add my code. You can screenshot this or I'll just paste it in the description and click redeem and get 2 credits. Now you click API keys and then create your new API key. Just type whatever name you want. Click confirm and then just copy these one. Just make sure you don't share this API key with everyone, of course. I'll delete this in a few minutes, of course, after publishing this video. So go back to your Hermes agent, click the open settings button, and then click providers. Click API keys. So this one is already built in on Hermes agent. So you could just scroll down, search Xiaomi, and you can just paste the key here, and then click save. Now that it's already saved, you can click switch the model and just refresh that. You can just search MiMo and then you'll find the Xiaomi provider here. Yeah, sorry, I just forgot to zoom it in. And then just make sure you click MiMo. It depends on the effort, but this one is pretty cheap, so just use high. And say hi. Now you can select 2.5 Pro, but I think you'll blow your 2 USD credits in no time. So just use 2.5 high. It's good enough. I have a full video reviewing it. Now, if you want to use DeepSeek for free, Mixroute is giving free $5 on credits. Click this button and then just click console. Then sign in whichever account you want. Okay, well, that was fast. I'll just skip this one. And then, as you can see, you can copy your API key here. But if you want to create your own, if you skip that part, you can just click API keys and just create a new API key. Just add a name and then just click create. I mean, I've already used this for a lot of before Flash work. A little bit of research, and this is how you actually add the mixroute key. So go to providers, API keys, and then find the open AI, and then go back to this mixroute website, and then grab the base URL. Put the base URL here, and then click save, and then add your API key here. Should be good to go. They have a lot of models on their list that you can try, but of course it's just $5. So I do suggest you just use DeepSeek V for Flash. I do think DeepSeek V for Flash is enough for most people, so actually forgot to refresh this one. So yeah, DeepSeek is here, and then just look out for the OpenAI API, since that's where we set the provider. And then I do recommend use Max, since yes, I do recommend just using Max thinking. I don't know what would happen if we were to use Ultra, but yeah, after changing the reasoning, you need to click this one again to set the model has. I think you can't really see it here, but if you click this one, then just type random stuff. Max. Because it say hello. Okay, there we go. It's already running. Okay, so you watched till the end of the video. I'll give you another free provider, which is so just search for open code login and look for open auth. sign in on whatever account you want. And as you can see, it's already here. Just copy the key to Zen, Hermes agent, click open settings, then click the provider's API key, and then look for open code, paste it here, and yeah, it should work. MiMo 2.5. So if you just search free here, it'll show you the free open codes, and you can use the MiMo 2.5, but the context window is only limited to 250k, I think, and MiMo. But these are the two models I would recommend, MiMo 2.5 and DeepSeek V4 Flash. But like when it comes to using the open code Zen, it still has some limits. So that's why after you're done with the open code Zen, you have to switch with the mixroute, and then yeah, so this is basically my second video for beginners series. Don't worry, I'll upload another video tomorrow. So please be sure to comment on which you'd like to learn more about AI, about automation, or anything regarding your specific niche on your work. And thanks for watching.